Phlebotomy is the art of drawing blood. At Phlebotomy Training Specialists, we teach you how to draw blood on the first attempt without hurting the patient. With over 100,000 graduates and a 4.9-star average rating from more than 12,000 reviews, we provide everything you need to pass your exam and become an expert phlebotomist. After you graduate, you can come back anytime. Our 3-week courses are offered mornings, evenings, and weekends, so you can finish fast and stay flexible. In just 1 month, you could start your career in the medical field. There are over 100,000 job openings at clinics, hospitals, labs, and more. On average, phlebotomists earn anywhere from $20 to $27 an hour. Your tuition covers everything, including materials and certification fees. The price you see is the price you pay. No hidden costs. We also offer convenient payment plans. Phlebotomy is the backbone of healthcare. 70% of all medical decisions start with phlebotomy, and the medical field needs more phlebotomists. Call or register today.